guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Rao underscore is my YouTube name. It's another beautiful day. I'm glad that we are all alive. Thank God for this beautiful day. And today, as I start this video, I'm actually at home today. It's a beautiful Sunday, and as you can see, the weather outside, it looks so bright. The way it looks bright tells you that it's really hot here today. So I'm actually at home and I feel like I really need to make something to cool me down because my body is really hot. There's a lot of heat today. Now I'm going to make some juice, and later on I'll do something else. But for now I want to make some juice because I want to drink juice to help me release the heat. It's actually very hot. So I'm going to make some watermelon juice, and I'm also having some fruit here that is not really common. It's a very unique fruit. I've never seen it back in my country. I only see it here in China. So there's a fruit here. It's called, I don't know, they call it apple tomato or apple, I don't know, something like that. I don't know what it's called. It has a name in Chinese. I don't know the English name. So I have the fruit here. Actually, why I want to make a juice with it is because we ate some of it yesterday and this was left, and we didn't feel like throwing it away. We can't just throw all this. These are like 3 of them. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna mix it with some watermelon to make the juice. So guys, stay tuned. So all I need to do is just to, because I kept it in a Ziploc bag, but I don't wanna just make it like that. I'm gonna rinse it a bit before I make the juice with it. So just a second, I turn on the lights because it's a bit dark. I think that's bright enough. So guys, I'm gonna rinse. I always rinse my things before I use them. So that. Then I'm gonna rinse the fruits as well. Not really that because they are dirty, but just because I want to give them a rinse. And I'm gonna remove this part, the seed part, because I don't want to mix it there. They're very crunchy, but sometimes it's a bit flavorless. So when you add some fruit to it, like I'm gonna add some watermelon to it, it will make it more tastier. So this is how I make it. And I have some watermelon and I have some water too. So the watermelon actually is here. So I'm gonna add the watermelon to this. Just smell to confirm that it's still okay. During hot season, we really eat a lot of watermelon because it's the season for watermelon as well. So there are so many watermelons, it's plenty. Oh. I used to remove the seeds from the watermelon, but somebody told me that it's very nutritious. It has some health benefits, so since I knew that, I never care about the seeds so much. I think that's enough. If I need, I'll add more. Alright, so I still have some watermelon left there. So here they are. They're not going to overwhelm my blender. I need to add a little bit of water just to help it to blend. It wasn't off. I'm so scared of that. So sorry, guys. A bit of shaking. I'll never give up. You cannot stop making juice because you don't have a food processor. You use what you have. So this is what I You see, it's already blended. It's now in form of a juice. And maybe I need to add some watermelon. Let me test it first and see what it has to tell me. Wow, 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 wow. Very nice and very well chilled. It's cold. Sorry, what did I say? It's actually very nice and very cold. I'll add some watermelon. I can add some oranges into it, but I don't want. Just one. They're kind of melons actually. The other one is also like a melon, but they call it apple something. Apple tomato or what? I don't know. If you know the name, guys, you can tell me. I don't know what it's called. So now I'll add some sugar. Actually not really sugar, but some sweetener. I'll add some sweetener to this. This is a sweetener, so I'm gonna add some bit of a sweetener to it. 2 spoons are okay. It's not a normal ordinary sugar, it's a sweetener. Okay, the final touch. That's enough. So this one, I don't think I need this anymore. Somebody might want to eat this later. Let's keep it for somebody else. So my juice is ready. So I'll keep it where we always put our juice. We always keep our juice here. I really want you to see what it looks like. So this is the juice that I just made. Very healthy. So nutritious. And that's how we do it. So I'll put the juice here. So that's my juice in my pitcher. This is my pitcher. So I'll keep this in the fridge for whoever wants to drink and come and drink it later. So guys, that's how I use my fruits to make my juice. I rarely buy juice, but I just make my own juice using my ordinary blender. Nothing special about it, just an ordinary blender you can try. If you don't have a food processor, it doesn't limit you from making your juices. Thank you guys for watching. Rao underscore is my YouTube name, and see you in the next video. Bye. This will go into the fridge to keep cool for the next use. Let's go. Bye bye.